My name's Eric Gersh. I'm the general manager here at Southwest Electric, custom switchgear division in Louisville. Today we'll be discussing maintenance on electrical switchgear. What you're looking at here is a 3000 amp, 15 kV draw out breaker. This is similar to what you would get in a metal clad division. Primarily the maintenance done on this is keeping it extremely clean, and that goes for all equipment. Primary points of maintenance on the inside are lubricating the ball screw that is part of the mechanism and the contact points on the back. You're going to want to take the old grease and lubrication off before you apply new, because it will just collect dust and dirt. So you have to get that off to make sure that the breaker operates in and out of the cell correctly. The other location you're going to want to lubricate is right here at the end of the finger clusters, using an electrical approved grease. We use Mobile 28. There's many of brands out there. That's what you want to go with. The other areas you're going to want to look at is the bus, any dust building up anywhere on top, on the shoulders, because dust is part of what causes arcing. Do a visual inspection. You're looking for things like white powder. That is a sign of partial discharge or corona. You're going to want to clean all that off. You can hear it when you hear partial discharge. It's that buzzing sound. Typically it's due to dust and a little bit of dirt. You want to make sure your boots are all secured. Again, nothing sitting in the bottom, that all of the outside points of penetration are sealed. That way you keep water and obviously dirt out, but also small animals, snakes, because those can get up into things and you get an outage. This is the control section. So you're going to want to make sure that, your connections are tight. You just do a quick pull test, making sure they're tight. Nothing's come loose. Same on this side. Everything looks good. Again, you're looking at any dirt, dust that might build up. You want to clean this. This happens to be outdoor gear. So you are prone to, wind-blown dust. Even though the doors are sealed, there is filters in the vents, you can still get some dust inside. Then you'll want to do electrical tests, whether it's high pot or megahertz, and you can get the standards for that through NETA. There it'll tell you what is your criticality that you've determined is for the equipment, as well as the conditions it sits in, a dusty area, clean, and then there's a multiplier that goes to that. And that'll give you a baseline for how often you should do the maintenance. For more information about our switchgear and other services, visit us at sgb-smit-usa.com.